My name's Mark Davison, I'm one of the directors here at Flexible Wi-Fi, and today we're at the Heart of England Conference and Events Centre in Warwickshire. So Heart of England first got in touch with us looking for help with our Wi-Fi. It's such a challenging site to work with. I couldn't quite believe how much was going on here. We've got a hotel, we've got a conference venue, we've got glamping pods, outdoor woodland activity space, fishing lakes, you name it, it's all here. And they really needed to bring in people that could help. Whenever we approach a new site, the first thing that we focus on is the design. We use Ekahau to put our designs together, which is industry-leading surveying software with trained engineers who will come out and make sure that no stone is unturned when it comes to our design process. It was really important that we took our time with this bit and got it right. So one of the huge benefits of the new solution for Heart of England is our Wi-Fi marketing platform, which we call Shout. And what Shout allows you to do is collect insights, demographics and data on your guests visiting the site. But not only that, from a single portal, you're then able to remarket out to those people, all via the Flexible Wi-Fi Shout portal. So Heart of England are able to keep in touch with people that may have only visited for an event or conference and let them know about events that are taking place, parties, Christmas functions, Mother's Day campaigns, you name it. They're able to get that message out to people constantly and keep in touch via our GDPR compliant Wi-Fi marketing platform. So we had to plan a specific time to cut across to the new network. We've put new core infrastructure in to really future-proof the site and also allow us to manage it. There's several networks here that are running at once. You've got a guest network, you've got a CCTV network, you've got a staff network. All of that needs to be ring-fenced into private secure VLANs, and the FortiGate appliance allowed us to do that.
I'm Adrian Hobson, I'm Projects Manager here at the Heart of England Conference Centre. I look after the technical aspects of all the events that take place here. Fast reliable Wi-Fi is intrinsic to the operation of the whole business. It's the sort of cornerstone of all our technology. All the infrastructure relies on it being fast, secure and working all the time. We picked flexible Wi-Fi because of their locality, which is always useful, and the solution they came up with the large site that we have here. There are so many areas on the site, indoor and outdoor, that require different solutions to maximise the potential of the areas, whether it be the EPOS system site-wide or the client Wi-Fi within the centre. So having a company that could provide solutions for all of these was really useful.
One of the things that was really important to Heart of England was selecting a partner that they knew they could rely on from a support point of view. With so much going on here, and as I say, a 24-hour operation, it was important that the support agreement matched that. So Heart of England staff can call us anytime if they need help. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, we're here for them.